Hey, this is Chris with Cycle Source Magazine's Grease and Gears TV, and this is your product spotlight. Today's product spotlight is on the Arlen Ness red Y-spoke wheels, and man, they are sexy AF. So much so that we're using the gold version on the Dennis Kirk FXR Evolution build. These wheels are CNC machined from radial forged 6061 T6 aluminum for maximum road durability and strength to weight ratio. They feature a rolled rim lip for a custom look and detailed CNC machine work from the center of the hub to the edge of the rim. Arlen Ness Y-spoke rims can be used on both front and or rear applications. When correct, separately sold hub kit is installed. These rims accept Arlen Ness hub kits, which allow the wheels to be assembled in minutes with just basic tools. All rims are structurally tested to meet or exceed DOT, JAS, and TUV international load ratings. Please remember that the Arlen Ness hub kits must be purchased separately to install. For more information or to order yours, be sure to check out part number 5504524 on DennisKirk.com. Tell them the guys at Cycle Source Magazine's Grease and Gears TV sent you. I'm Chris Callen. We'll see you next week.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.